I'm Dr. Frank Cato with the Get Fit and Be Lean program that I used to lose over 20% of my body weight in 2021. These are the 5 things that I would never eat on the Get Fit and Be Lean program. The first thing has to be peanut butter because it's processed, it's got added sugars, it's high in fat. Nobody should ever eat peanut butter. Number 2, gourmet jelly beans. Those things are basically just food dye and processed sugar. Number 3 is bacon. Nobody should ever eat bacon. The nitrites, the sodium content, the fat content. Pigs are smarter than dogs, and all of the ecological implications. Nobody should ever eat bacon. 4 and 5. Krispy Kreme donuts and whole milk with all of the fat content. Deep fried, in sugar. I would never eat that. Now, obviously, I'm just joking around. This is just a personal take on a popular meme that's going across the internet. Eat what you want, stick to portion control, and the 2 veggie goal.